Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you for joining me for this shopping vlog from home. No, I'm joking. I'm recording this at home. I'm back from Italy because, well, I have forgotten or I actually haven't thought about recording even an intro because my plan was not to do a shopping vlog. It was just sort of accidental that we walk around the shopping area and I walk into YSL just for a minute and then I start trying the bags and they told me that there is a price increase happening literally in 2 days. I think it was like 1st of May when I was there, and one lady told me it's the 3rd of May. Then in another boutique, which was just a few hundred meters further, they told me it was 5th of May, and actually it happened 5th of May. But I got panicked and I decided that I will buy a bag. And yes, I got a YSL bag right before price increase, and I'm going to record unboxing of that bag just right after that intro. So stay tuned for that. If the video is already published, I will link it below. And if you are watching my channel, you will be surprised which bag I picked because it's neither the bag I was talking about and the color is probably also not very my color. So I will take you along with me for selecting a bag from YSL before the price increase. There's a lot of bags that I was trying, so I hope you enjoy that. And I also went into Dior and there were quite interesting pieces, or there was actually the Dior artistic bags, so I hope you like that too. So I put it Dior at the end of the vlog, but for now let's go and shop in YSL. So first let's go and have a look what's on the display. I can see a few college bags, all in neutrals with some fun twists for the summer, I guess. And of course Loulous, this is a very nice color I would say, and some pop of color, very bright sunflower yellow, if you're up for that. Some puffer bags, I think my love to puffer bag some kind of decreased. And this bag, the color is not mine, surely not mine, but I really like this pattern. These little charms, honestly I almost bought the olive ones and I cannot guarantee that I won't buy it. Now here we come to the real business, trying the bags. I do love the suede Loulou in that minty color, really love it. However, the girl is mostly living in Iceland, so neither the color nor the material is for me. But we can always have a look and enjoy that eye candy. And now here's an even better one. I do love this one and I don't mind the material, the tweed, the sequins. However, 3,000 euro. Let's move on. I have to tell you that this one is one of the most beautiful, juicy, beautiful reds that I have ever seen. I really love it. However, I'm afraid of that sunset bag because I think it will scratch relatively easily. It doesn't look like the leather has actually some structure, but it is beautiful. Then we've got this beautiful pistachio color on the puffer bag, and as much as I like the color, I didn't like any of the bags in this color enough to buy it, of course. Because as Cassie often says, if it would be a gift, I gladly accept and no complaints. They showed me Gold Kate bag, however this gold to me it's too gold, it's too yellow, so I will keep looking. So now we are moving to another boutique, apparently the flagship store, which had leftovers of some special pieces. And here we have the Met Gala dress, which cost just only 50,000 euro, and my boyfriend shocked when he saw the price. They also showed me this new It bag from YSL. At the time it was only for a pre-order and they said it for special clients. Well, I would like to think that I am a special client for YSL, however I rather think it was the marketing. Nevertheless, I was very happy to have a look and try the bag, and let me tell you, I do like it. I don't know if I can justify buying this bag because I don't really see that I need it. It's a very big bag, but it's beautiful. The leather is squishy and soft, and I like the proportions, the logo on it, really, really lovely. Okay, now let's have a look at some camera bags and some other classic styles from YSL and select something for myself. this taupe color is really good. I was thinking that I would like to have a taupe color camera bag like a few months ago, and apparently they just heard my prayers and they made one. What do you think about this croc embossed camera bag? Personally, I actually like croc embossed bags or shoes. However, this one looked kind of plasticky and cheap to me, so no for me. Did like that burgundy though. Intentionally, I put a lot of clips of me trying on the bags and also close-ups of the bags because I thought maybe that's what you are looking for. You want to see the colors, you want to see how the bag is sitting on a body. So if you are bored with that, just forward the video, and if you are interested in the particular color I'm trying or the style, then you can hopefully have a good look. Now let's move to Dior for a little bit, and let me tell you what a beautiful pieces of art they had there. It's just out of this world. Like, look at this bag. It's a handmade bag with all these beading details. This is just piece of art, not a handbag. And I loved it, especially this one, the silver one. It's like me in a bag. It's just perfection. However, it's a micro size. So what am I going to do with it? Here we have the collection designed by artists, like every bag is designed by a different artist, and of course the sequin one caught my attention. And again, the level of details, it's a very, very beautiful bag, and if you are up for it, it's only 12,000 euros. Let's also have a look at some shoes, the Walk in Dior sneakers, and then we have some dad sandals. Oh my goodness, why they are even here. And I did like this color and combination of the Walk in Dior sneakers. I really like the style, however I'm not sure if they are that comfortable, honestly. Here we have some real eye candies. Look at this shine. I was so obsessed and crazy about them, especially actually I loved these ones, the flat ones, but well, where am I going to wear them? Girl, calm down, just have a look and go home. Apparently this is a new color which is for the fall season, and it's called Petrol. It's a dusty, dirty blue, and I have to say it's a really nice color. I think it's a color that will go well with so many things. Here we have the Dior vibe, isn't it? Whatever is the name, the new Dior bags, which I am not a fan of. And here are the bracelets. I loved the pink one. However, I cannot bring myself to spend over 500 euro on this kind of bracelet. And that's all for the vlog. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.